Hello guys, welcome back to the Kilohertz Mercedes channel, and I hope you're all safe and well. For this short video I'm going to be showing you how you reset the service indicator on your W203 C-Class as well as the W463 G Wagen. Now I appreciate that these models are fairly old by today's standards, but I haven't actually covered this process in video form on my channel. If you check the playlist up here, you can see the same process, the service reset, for various different models, both younger and older than these. So anyway, let's get started.
Insert your key into the ignition to position 1. Scroll through the various screens until you're on the miles screen, or kilometers, depending on your country. With the cluster displaying the miles screen, press the adjustment dial, which is located on the left of the cluster, 3 times in quick succession until you hear a beep. Now a new set of hidden submenus will have appeared, indicated by the screen now displaying your current battery voltage. Pressing up and down arrows allow you to scroll through the VIN number, the ESP Dynamo test screen, as well as the software version information screen. Now turn the key in the ignition to position 2. This will now have enabled yet another hidden menu screen to appear, the service screen. Use the arrow buttons once again to scroll across until you see it displayed. With the service menu on screen, again press the reset dial one more time. This will display the oil grade screen. It's just hidden menu after hidden menu. With the plus and minus buttons, choose the relevant oil setting. Or if this is unknown, simply select standard. Now press the up arrow button. And finally, to confirm the oil reset and also that the service has taken place, hold down the reset dial for 3 seconds to complete this overall process. So you've now fully confirmed that your service has taken place. Once you press any other button, it will now show you the next service which is due, together with the mileage. These hidden submenus will remain on your dash cluster screens until you press either of the new page buttons on the bottom left hand side of the steering wheel. This will return you back to the standard screens. However, you can still access these hidden menus via the voltage screen until you switch off the ignition.
Okay, so if you found that useful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't done already, consider clicking on that subscribe button with bell icon so you're notified as soon as uploading new videos and content. As always, thanks a lot for watching. Until next time, cheers.